After we've been using this Garvin roof rack here for about a week?
Couple weeks.
2 weeks? You notice that we're putting stuff on top of it. It's really solid. We're scratching the shit out of the top of it because you can see here just from, this is this little kayak that I went and grabbed today, and it's leaving little scratches on the top. And it's not that big of a deal, it's just aesthetics, but you bring stuff on here, on and off enough times, eventually you get down to the paint, and then you have no way to protect the metal from rust. So we're going to try something called Gorilla Tape. So we're going to tape this on the bars across so that when I put stuff on here, it actually doesn't chafe. They should prevent chafing all along the top, and having one piece all across the edges from one side to the other is going to prevent it from coming off. It's real sticky stuff. We're going to try this for a while, but pretty sure we're going to have some favorable results with this there. And it also actually makes it a little bit smooth, so sliding the canoe on and off, we'll be able to tell how well it works in the long run. These center ones here look really good. You can tell there's still a little bit of scratches here, but that's going to totally stop the chafe. I'm going to do a little review of the tape idea that I got for my roof rack. And I was very confident, to tell you the truth, that that tape was going to stop any friction or any marks or protect the paint on my Garvin roof rack. Well, it did somewhat, but I need to find another idea. And I'm going to show you here a little bit what's going on with that. This tape here over top of it, so that I can actually protect the paint, because when I slide stuff on here, it gets chafed up a bit, but there's like these little spots like here where it's being bummed up here at the very front of it. Yeah, so at least it's not doing this on the paint. Now these are all, it's already just all flaked up and everything. And at the back as well, the sides don't seem to be affected at all, but there was nothing really to hit on there. So I'm trying to find something that's going to prevent metal from metal on metal contact. It's going to prevent the paint from coming off here. At the back, especially, that's where it slides the most when I get the canoe on and off. So it does offer some sort of protection, but I can't afford to be replacing that tape every week or two. I need to find something else that's going to fix this and protect softer materials. If you have an actual kayak that's not made out of metal, something out of fiberglass, something out of sort of composite or plastic material, you're going to need something that is going to not scratch that as well, because that would be even worse if you have like an expensive kayak and sliding it on and off, you realize that you start putting gouges on the paint. Some of these plastics aren't repairable. Luckily for me, I only have fiberglass things, so that if they break, crack, whatever, you can repair them. And as you can see, I've already had accidents in my yard where I had to repair it. I did a decent job repairing it, but I was too lazy to paint the whole darn thing, so now there's a nice paint job here, and then the rest is all kind of like faded out.